think the Wild is reborn and it actually feels it's reborn. It doesn't look like just a facelift, but a lot has changed overall. I think ADAS is something that I'm really excited to check in this segment specifically because, Kia is supposedly with 6 airbags throughout the segment. Now getting ADAS will make it even more secure, and that tech that this car has got is really, really intriguing.
I think it's rather revolutionary, but it does look good and it ties in with what's happened on the Seltos update as well. So overall, there's that family design language coming through, and the Sonet is a pretty good looking car right now.
Kia, movement that inspires.